Probably heard about the Harris administration plan to tax unrealized capital gains at 25% and realized capital gains at 45%. I'm not going to get into in this video how insane that actually is, but what I do want to do is take a trip down memory lane just to illustrate how these politicians work. Because this particular law that they want to pass is like under the guise of it's only for the rich people, the ultra rich, the billionaires, the people that make millions of dollars, they have money coming out of their ears. It's not going to affect the common people. But that's exactly what the Democrats said in 1913 about the marginal federal tax bracket. Now, you can see in 1913, there was a 2% tax for people making up to $20,000. So your federal tax rate was 2% if you made up to $20,000. Now you're saying to yourself, well, that's only $20,000. That's not significant. Well, because of inflation over the last 100 years, $20,000 in 1913 is equivalent to $600,000 today. So if you can imagine paying 2% tax on everything you make up to $600,000, but no, that's not the case. What's happened with the federal tax bracket over the years is they have increased the taxes and then they have lowered that threshold of what you would need to make to be in the top tax bracket. So in 1913, the most you would pay, you could make billions and trillions of dollars in 1913, and the most that you paid was a 7% federal tax. However, today, you pay a 12% federal tax if you make up to $50,000 or something like that. I don't know exactly, but you get the point. So don't believe the politicians, especially the Harris administration, when they try to pass something under the guise it's only for the ultra rich, because they don't care about the ultra rich and they also don't care about the middle class. They're just lying to you, and they want to do stuff like this over